Guys, what is going on there? As excited as I am to go ice skating, the skates were absolutely terrible. This live display, this hot chocolate is definitely good one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the next episode of Vlogmas 2024. And today we're in Empoli, a lovely town very close to Florence, that is famous for being the Christmas town. Città del Natale is its nickname, the city of Christmas, and it is apparently famous for all the Christmas decorations and for how people are celebrating the holiday season here. I am very excited to see more of it and to bring you along with me, but don't forget to subscribe first. Let's go and explore the Christmas city of Tuscany together. Now guys, this is absolutely wow, look how beautiful this square is. Let's go with me. It's so cute here. I love it. I love that all these little stands are white and wooden, and I also absolutely love this light display on the houses. Although I'll be honest with you guys, I wonder if this light gets inside the apartments and what's it like to live with it, but I think it's still really cute. Also, I feel like this square is mostly centered around artisan stands. I won't lie, I would like to find something with food or mulled wine by now, but still there are so many cool things that are sold here, guys. From these artisan creations to jewelry to stuff, I love it. I think it's a perfect place to find a nice Christmas gift for someone you love. The nativity scenes are a huge part of life in Italy, and you will see like large scenes all around the different towns and here as well. Look at it, it's actually almost real life size. I like it. And also a funny fact that whenever you see the nativity scenes before Christmas, you will see that baby Jesus is not there. He will arrive after the 25th. Guys, what is going on there? I have no words. I feel like it's like a parade of some kind of characters, cartoon characters maybe. I don't know. Let's see. As excited as I am to go ice skating, these guys are basically broken. Waiting for it definitely didn't go as planned. The ice quality here and also the skates were absolutely terrible, guys. Definitely not worth the money. They ask you for 14 euros if you want to go there for 1 hour and 12 euros if you want to go there for 30 minutes. Not that much, but still not worth it at all. The city looks so festive, guys. I love it. Every street here is lit up and just so many people around here. I love it. It's indeed a city of Christmas. Another square, another market. I went for hot chocolate for a change, and I was actually surprised, guys, that the prices here are higher than in Florence. But maybe because, you know, it's the Christmas city, so it kind of makes sense. Let's try it. Guys, it is actually pretty decent, I have to tell you. It's really good, which is not very common in Italy, but this hot chocolate is definitely good one. I like it. So we found the food, but not as much food as there was in Florence. In terms of food and the diversity of the food stands, Florentine market is the winner for me, but the Empoli market is the absolute winner in terms of lights and decorations. I have to give it to this city. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this Vlogmas, this episode of the festive season, the holiday season of Dramatically Expatic. I liked it, even though we had a little fail, a little mishap with the ice rink. Still, I think it's definitely a beautiful place to be and to spend you know, a festive day here. Definitely worth visiting if you're visiting Florence, for example, around Christmas season, because this city knows how to celebrate Christmas. This city definitely knows how to be in the festive mood. I loved it. And having said that, guys, don't forget to subscribe once again. Also follow me on Instagram so you don't miss anything, any updates, and also real-time updates there. And like this video, comment it, share it with your friends, share this spirit, the Christmas festive spirit with your friends, guys. I will see you very soon again. And having said that, guys, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays!